Rock Computer College. Define quality training in information technology.
Okay, now let's improve the lighting and the color of this image. Now we're going to use adjustment layers to do that, and to access them, you'll come over here, click on this icon, then select brightness or contrast, and then this dialog box will pop up. Now you can adjust the brightness and contrast from over here by clicking and dragging on these sliders, or you can click auto and have Photoshop do the work for you. And as you can see, it has made its own adjustment. Now if you turn that off, you can see the before and after. So this is the before and this is the after. You can see the effect that it has. Another thing, now once you're done, you close that. Another thing is that you can play with the color, the hue and saturation of the image. So come and select hue and saturation from over here. Again, you'll come to this icon, click on it, then hue and saturation. Then click and drag these sliders, the saturation slider. Try add a bit of pop into those colors. You can play with this around. Now let's look at before and after. Again, before and after, and it looks good. So once you're done, you can close that. Now let's say like these colors are way too, these leaves are way too green and you want to tone that down. You can still come, as you can see, the adjustment panels. Let's say like that, as you can see, some of the colors are too bright than the others. Like this green over here is too bright than the rest of the green over here. You can come and select the layer mask. Now each adjustment layer comes with its own layer mask. You will select that layer mask, make sure it's activated, then come here, select the brush tool and make sure that your foreground color is black. Now black will hide and white will reveal. Now you want to hide that color, so I'll increase the size of the brush and come and brush around here like that. You can reduce the size of the brush as you go. And that looks good. Now as you can see, it's a bit more realistic than it was before. And there we have it. Now that's how you adjust the colors and the lighting in your image. Now if you turn this off, let's go back to the mode tool. So if I come here and turn this off and turn this off, now this is our original image before we change the brightness settings, and that's after we change the brightness setting, and then this is after we changed the colors, after we changed the hue and saturation settings. And you can see it looks way much better now than in the beginning. That is the purpose of the adjustment layers. So that is the purpose of adjustment layers in Photoshop.